As per the request, today I try to put Sunday in one shot, and I prefer to start from the last lesson. Why? Because so many times we used to revise the first lesson Sundays or first all the lessons for the PT and half yearly, all those exams. So I prefer from last lesson. Let us do. So first question, Sarasaha bhavet visarga sandhi. Here visargasya utvam. So the answer will be Saraso bhavet. So where the change is happening, that only I am writing. Second word as it is. So first word will be changing as Saraso. Then second question, Paritaha plus Tiravasina or Paritaha adhikam Tiravasina. This also visarga sandhi. Visargasya sthane sattvam. So the answer will be Paritas Tiravasina. Paritas Tira. So here is the change remaining as it is. Then Toyaihi plus Alpaihi plus Api. Here also visarga sandhi. Visargasya ratvam in both the place. So Toyair Alpai. Toyair Alpai Rapi. So both the place visarga is changing as visargasya ratvam. Then Taroho Asya is the fourth question. Here also visarga sandhi. Visargasya ratvam. And visarga will be changing as ra, tarora, tarorasya. Then fifth one, Vishwataha varidena. Vishwataha is the question. Here also visarga sandhi. And visargasya utvam. Here vishwato. It will be changing as vishwato. And sixth one, Bringaha rasalamukulani. Here visargasya lopaha visarga sandhi. So visarga will be disappearing. No, in other change will be happening here. Bringa rasalamukulani. So I am not writing, just I circle the visarga, it will be disappearing. Then Saraha plus Swayi is the seventh question here. Saraha, again visarga sandhi, visargasya sattam. So visargasya sthane sarastwayi. Sakara will be there. Sarastwa sa will be there. And eighth question, Minaha plus no or Minaha adhikam no. And here also visarga sandhi, visargasya utvam. Minaha will be changing as Mino. And then the ninth question, Ekaha plus Eva. Here visarga sandhi, Eka, Eva. Here visargasya lopaha. Then 10th question, Khagaha plus Mani. Here visargasya utvam, Khago Mani. And 11th one, Pipasitaha plus Va. Here also visargasya utvam, Pipasito Va. Then 12th question, Riktaha plus Asi. Here Riktosi, visargasya utvam first will be happening. Then Purvarupa sandhi also will be working. So in the place of Avagraha Chinnam will be there. So in the answer, Riktosi. Then Yat Chalata is the 13th question here. Ta will be changing as the, then it will be changing as ja. So Yat Jalada is the answer. So 14th question, Ambodaha plus Bahavaha hi. Here Ambodaha visargasya lopaha Amboda and Bahavaha hi visargasya utvam Bahavo hi. Then 15th question, Vrishtibihi plus Ardrayanti. So here visarga sandhi, visargasya ratvam. So it will be changing as Vrishtibirardrayanti. Then Ardrayanti, Vrishtibirardrayanti. Then 16th and 17th, the same change. Kechit plus Vrishtibihi, Kechit plus Vritha. Here Prathama Varnasya, Tritiya Varna Parivartanam. So in the both questions, the change will be Kejid. Then 18th question, Purataha plus Ma. Here Visargasya Uttam. So it will be changing as Purato Ma. So this up to this 18 words we have completed from the 12th lesson. Now we are going to 9th lesson. So in the first word, Pita plus Asya, answer Pitasya. Here in the place of Avagraha Chinnam, Pitasya. Then second question, Uktihi plus Tat, Visargasya Sattvam Uktis Tat. So in the place of Visarga, Sakara will be the Denta. So Uktis Tat. Then the third question, again the same, it is Tapaha plus Tepe, Tapas Tepe, Visargasya Sthane Sa. Then will be the Tapas Tepe. Then fourth question, bhavet plus yadi. Here prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam, so it will be changing as the, and the will be joining with this ya, so it will be changing as bhavedyabhidya. Then tat plus eva is the fifth question, and here also prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam, so this also will be changing as the, tad adhikam eva. Then sixth one, yaha plus abhyudirayet. Here visarga sandhi, visarga will be changing as o visargasya utvam, so yo is the change here. Then chakshuhu plus namani is the seventh question. Here visargasya ratvam, visarga will be changing as r, and this r we are writing as matra in this letter, so chakshur namani will be the answer. Then eighth one, shakyaha plus bhavet. Here visargasya utvam, visarga will be changing as o shakyo bhavet. Then ninth one, paraihi plus na visarga, visarga sandhi, visargasya ratvam parair na, and this r we will be writing as matra in the letter parair na. So 10th question, vakpatuhu plus dhairyavan. Vakpatuhu visarga is there, again visarga sandhi, this visarga will be changing as r. So while writing the answer here, vakpatur dhairyavan, this I ki matra, ir ki matra also will be coming here. Then next kuryat plus ahitam. Here kuryat prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam, so kuryad will be there, then they will be joining with the so dahitam will be kuryad ahitam, it will be like this. Then prathamaha dharmaha, the next question, again visarga sandhi, visargasya utvam, so this utvam will be changing as prathamo dharmaha. Then again 13th question, tasmat rakshed, prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam, here tasmad rakshed, here no consonant, no vowel letter, consonant letter only, so tasmad only, the as it is with halant it will be there. And 14th question, sat plus acharam, prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam, again the will be there and the will be joining with a, so sadacharam it will be like the answer. Then pranebhyaha plus abhi is the 15th question. Here it is visarga, visargasya utvam, and here avarna hraswa akaram, so it will be like purva rupa sandhi also pranebhyo pi with avagraha chinna, the answer will be like this. Then bhavetu yena, again prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam, the will be there and it will be joining with ya, and it will, the letter will be changing as bhavedyena. Now that lesson completed. The next lesson is 8th lesson, Ashtamaha Padaha, Kamchit. Here ma makarasya sthane, here according to this letter cha, chargasya panchamavarna will be there, so it will be Kanchit. And then chauraha asit, again visargasya utvam chauro asit. And then prabuddhaha aditihi, again visargasya utvam prabuddho titihi, again it will be with the avagraha chinna, so prabuddho titihi. Then kaha plus chit, visargasya sthane sh, so kaschit will be the answer. Then swagrihat nishkramya, again tava argasya prathama varnasya takarasya sthane dakaraha, so swagrihat nishkramya. Then tataha, so visargasya utvam, again hraswakaram, so purva rupa sandhi avagraha chinnam also tatosa. Next question, gantavyat plus dore gantavyat adhikam dore. So prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam, the will be changing as the gandavyad. Then next question, padatihi adhikam eva, here visarga, visargasya ratvam padati r, then r will be joining with the a, so padati reva. Then 10th question, chauraha plus ayam, Here visargasya utvam U will be coming and it will be changing as O, then O ki matra, then A is there, so the answer will be Chauroyam. Ra with O ki matra, then Avagraha Chinnam for the A. Then Kaschit Janaha, here the Varga will be changing as the Kara will be changing as the and it will be changing as J. So Kaschit Janaha. 11th question, Kaschit plus Janaha, Takarasya sthane, the Kara will be coming, then it will be changing as J. So the final answer, Kaschit Janaha, Jakarasya Dvitva. Then 8th question, 8th lesson we have completed. Now starting 7th lesson. First question is Svanaraha plus 2, Visarga Sandhi. Visarga will be changing as S, then it will be joining with the 2 Vanarastu. This is the change happening. Then second question, Itaha plus Tataha, again the same. Visargasya sthane Sakaraha, so answer Itas Tataha. This is the change happening. Then Kritandaha plus Na. Kritandaha Visarga Sandhi, Visargasya Uttam. So Visarga will be changing as Oki Matra Kritanto. And then fourth question, Dwanihi plus Asti, again Visarga Sandhi, Visargasya sthane R, and R will be joining with the A, so Dwani Rasti. This is the change happening. Here Ra. The next question, Jandubihi plus Cha, Visarga Sandhi again, Visargasya sthane Shakaraha. So here instead of Visarga, this will be coming. So while writing answer, it will be changing as Jandubischa. And then Ulukaha eva is the next question. Again Visarga Sandhi, Visargasya Uttam. So it's in the place of Visarga, Oki Matra, so Uluko eva. And then Siddhihi Bhavishyati, Visarga Sandhi again, Visargasya Ratto. And here R after consonant letter only. So Siddhir Bhavishyati, we will be writing this R as Matra. Here in the letter Bha, the Matra will be Siddhir Bhavishyati. And the 8th question, Anayasaha plus Eva. Visarga Sandhi again, Anayasa Eva Visargasya Lopam here. And then Nauhu plus Eva, again Visarga Sandhi, Visargasya Ratvam. Now Riva is the answer. And then the last question from the 7th lesson, Etasmat plus Eva Prathama Varnasya Tritiya Varna Parivartanam Edasmad Eva. So again this the will be joining with the A. So while writing answer Etasmad Eva. Let us start the next lesson. Next question, Yet Adhikam Aham Prathama Varnaha, Prathama Varnasya Tritiya Varna Parivartanam. So the will be changing and it will be joining with A. The answer Edaham. This is the main change. Then Kaha Adhikam Api Visarga Sandhi, Visargasya Uttam. It will be changing as O. Then Ko, then here Avagraha Chinnam Kopi. And then Syat Narapatihi Prathama Varnasya Panchama Varna Parivartana. So Syan and Narapatihi, and then the answer Syan Narapatihi. Here this is the change happening. Then Samyak Neta, here also Prathama Varnasya Panchama Varna Parivartana. So Ka sthane Na will be the, so it will be changing as Samyak. Here no change. The first word will be changing as Samyak. Then Ata Eva, here Visarga Sandhi, Visargasya Lopaha. So in the textbook it is written as Ata Eva. Ata Eva Visarga Lopa. And then Samyak plus Uktam is the next question. Prathama Varnasya Tritiya Varna Parivartana. So Ga will be there and Ga will be changing G is joining with U, and the answer Samyagupta. This is the change. Kaschit api, again prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam. Kaschid, then the will be joining with a, so kaschidabi. This is the change. Then yet yeshaha, prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam, again the joining with the ye, so yadeshaha. This is the change happening. Yat plus mayuraha, prathama varnasya panchama varna parivartanam, the sthane na, so the answer yen mayuraha. This is the change. Then vastutaha plus tu, again visarga sandhi, visargasya sthane sattva, so vastu dastu. This is the change, vastu dastu. This is the change happening. Then next question. Shat plus vida, prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartana, t will be changing as d. Remaining as it is, you can write shadvidam. Then labhaha plus tesha, visarga sandhi, visargasya sthane s, so this is the change happening, labhastesha. So we have completed the 7th lesson. Now moving to 6th lesson. Sharirasthaha mahan, udyama samaha plus bandhuhu, pikaha plus vasandasya. These 3 questions. First, visarga sandhi, visargasya sthane, utvam only. So now this, it will be visarga will be changing as oki matra. Sharirastho udyama samo piko. Then 4th question, manaha plus tu, here also visarga sandhi, visargasya sattva, so manastu. This is the change. The next also the same, janaha adhikam tam, visargasya sthane sattvam janastam. This is the change. Again, visargasya utvam udiritaha plus artaha, visargasya sthane utvam, so it will be changing as udirito. This okay matra. Then 7th and 8th, hayaha plus cha, nagaha plus cha, here visargasya sthane shakaraha, so hayascha, nagascha. Both same. Next question, panditaha adhikam janaha, then krodhaha adhikam hi prathamaha adhikam narana, dehastitaha adhikam deha vinashanaya. All the 4 questions. 5 questions, kashtagataha hi. These are visargasya uttam only, that's why I read all the questions together. Kashtagataha hi. So panditaha janaha, pandito janaha, krodhaha hi, krodho hi, prathamaha narana, prathamo narana, the changes only I am writing. Dehastitaha deha vinashanaya, dehastito. This is the change. Then kashtagataha hi, kashtagato hi. So these are visargasya uttam. The visarga's place oki matra will be there. Then next also visarga sandhi, visargasya ratvam, visargasya sthane r, vanir dahate. So this r, the next letter is consonant letter. So it will be written as matra in the letter the. Next question, Gavaha plus cha. So visargasya sthane shakaraha. So gavascha. Answer. This is the change. Then turagaha plus turangaihi. Again visargasya sthane. Visarga sandhi only. Visargasya sthane sattvam. So turagas turangai. This is the change. And then again murkhaha plus cha shakara visargasya sthane. So the answer murkhascha. This sandhi padam, it is there in the textbook. Actually this is the answer you have to. What is the question I have, what is the thing I have written as question, that is the answer. This combined form, it is there in the textbook. Then this sandhi vichedam you have to learn. If sandhi vichedam is given, then textual word will be the answer. Then sevitavyaha mahavrikshaha. Here again visarga sandhi visargasya uttam sevitavyo mahavrikshaha. Okay, matra. This is the change. The next one, yojakaha tatra visarga sandhi visargasya sthane sattvam. So visargas, visargasya sthane sattvam yojakas tatra. This is the change. Again visarga sandhi visargasya sthane shakaraha shatvam suraktascha. Again visarga sandhi, again visargasya sthane uttam rakto raktaha. Okay, matra. Ashwaha adhikam ched, again visargasya sthane shatvam ashwasched. Then parengita jnana falahi. Here visargasya lopaha. Visarga will be disappearing. There is a change. And then moving to next lesson. We are coming in descending order. So this is the fifth lesson. Ashaktaha plus cha is the first question, and visargasya sthane shatvam. So ashaktascha is the answer. Sha is the change. Vinipataha na. Visarga sandhi visargasya uttam vinipato na. Okay, matra is change. Kaha plus chit, kaha adhikam chit, again like the first question, visargasya sthane shakaraha kaschit. This is the change. Megharavaihi cha, also the same sandhi, visargasya sthane sha only, ravaischa is the answer. Achiradeva prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartana. The will be the, and the joining with the a. So the answer is Achiradeva. This is the change. Then yataha hi visargasya utvam. So taha will be changing as to. Okay, matra. Fifth lesson completed. Now fourth lesson. Chaturtha pataha. The first question. Tasmat anga. Again prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartana. So tasmad anga. The change is the remaining as it is. Then vayaha anurodhat is the next question. Himakaraha api is the third question. Here also the same uttam and avagraha chinnam will be there in both. Vayonurodhat. Okay, matra, then avagraha chinnam. Here also himakaropi. Okay, matra, then avagraha chinnam. This is the change happening. Then sat niveshaha. Prathama varnasya panchama varna parivartana san niveshaha. So the answer sanniveshaha. This is the change. Then vayasaha tu visargaha visargasya sattvam vayasastu. This is the change, sir. Then kinchit anantaram, again prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam. Kinchit anantaram, the is joining with a, so kinchit anantaram. There is a change happening. Then aryaha api visargasya uttvam, then avagraha chihnam, so oki matra and avagraha chihnam aryopi. This is a change. Namataha veditum, again visargasya uttvam namato veditum. Kaschit asmin prathamavarnasya tritiya varna parivartanam kaschidasmin. This is change. The next question, itaha adhikam tavat visargasya sattu itastavat. So is the change. Pravasaha ayam visargasya uttam and avagraha chihnam, so pravasoyam. Oki mata and avagraha chihnam. This is the change. Then tapovana vasinaha devidi, again visargasya uttam, visarga will be changing as fourth matra. Dutaha asman visargasya uttam akaraha hasva varnaha, so dutosman with avagraha chihnam. Oki matra and avagraha chihnam. Sandarbhaha ayam, saha ayam, apurvaha ayam. These are the same 13, 14, 15, 16 question on avagraha chihnam. Visargasya sthane u, then it will be changing as o, and are starting the Uttarapadam starting with the first avarna makaraha. So in the place of akaraha, avagraha chihnam will be the sandarbhoya. Soya. Apurvoya. So oki matra with the avagraha chihnam is a change. Then 17th one sat nidhiyata, again prathama varnasya panchama varna parivartana, so sannidhiyata, san tavargasya sthane n, then sannidhiyata. Then kinchit avinayam, again prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam, the joining with a, so kinchit avinayam. This is the change. Same, the next also the same. Tritiya varna parivartanam, the only with a asmadandigam. This is the change. Next question. Etayoho chirasanam, again visarga sandhi. Visargasya sthane shakaraha, so etayos chirasanam is the answer. This is the change. Next, sama plus uta plus acharaha, here varna samyogam only, here only sandhi is happening. Uta plus acharaha, here prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartanam ud, then this the is joining with a, so udacharaha. Samuda, this is the change happening, the word samudacharaha. Then niskrantaha, niskrantaha sakarasya shatvam, so half shall will be coming nishkrantaha. This is the change. Etayoho yadi, again visarga sandhi, visargasya ratva, here visarga after consonant letter, so ra will be writing as matra. Etayor yadi, this matra is a change. This is a change. Then darunaha plus cha, again darunaha visarga sandhi, visargasya shatva, so darunascha. This is the change, the letter sha. And then yushmat darshanad, again prathamasya tritiya varna parivartanam, the Then the here the Dvitvam will be there. Yushmad Darshanad. Dvitvam we will be writing like this. Yushmad Darshanad. The two times. So this is the change. Then Punaha Atiti Janaha. Again Visarga. Visarga Sistane R. And R is joining with A. So Punar Atiti Janaha. This is the change. Then Pituhu Niranukroshah. Again Visargasya Ratto. Here consonant letter Vyanjanaksharam. So R writing as Matra Pitur Niranikroshah. This is the. Then Bhavatoho Vamshasya the next question. Again Visargasandhi Visargasya Rattam the same. And this will be written in the next letter. Here also the consonant letter only. Bhavator Vamshasya. This is the change. Next one, Dvayoho Api. Again Visargasandhi Visargasya Ratto. Ra is joining with A. So Dvayorapi. And then Bhavatoho Guruhu. Again Visargasandhi Visargasya Ratto. Here it is written as Matra and the letter G. Bhavator Guruhu. Then Tavad Vayasya Prathavarnasya Tritiya Varna Parivartanam Tavad Vayasya, and it will be written the Va together. Tavad Vayasya. Kavihi Api. Again Visargasya Ratto. Ra is joining with A. So Kavirapi. Then Manyugarbhaihi Aksharaihi. Manyugarbhaihi Aksharaihi. Manyugarbhaihi Aksharaihi. Here Visargasya Rattam only. Manyugarbhair Aksharaihi. Ra is joining with A. This is a change here. This Ra is a change. Then Kumarayoho Anayoho. Here also Visargasya Rattam. Kumarayor Anayoho. Here it will be changing as this. And again here also Rattam only. This Ra again they are joining with the A. So Kumarayor Anayor Asmakam. Both the place Rattam only, and both the place in Uttarapadam A is there, so they is joining with A. Ra we are getting Kumarayor Anayor Asmakam. Then here Valmikihi Vadhuhu. Here again Visargasya Ratto, and it will be written as Matra and the letter Va. Valmikir Vadhuriti. Here again Ra, but here vowel is there, so Ra will be changing as Vadhuriti. Then Tat Adhikam Aha. Tritiya Varna Parivartana. The is joining with the A. So the answer Tadaham. This is the change. Then Kaha Atra Visargasya Utto. Then Avagraha Chinna. So the answer Kotra. Oki Matra. Then Avagraha Chinna. Moving to second lesson. First question, Devulakyaha Gramaha. The change here I have written Devulakyaha Visargasya Sthane U. So the U while writing we have to write Devulakyo Gramaha. Then second question, Rajasimhaha plus Nama. The same change Visargasya Sthane Uttam. Writing Rajasimho Nama. And then third one, Ekaha plus Tavat. Visargasya Sthane Sakaram Sattvam. So while writing Ekas Tavat, this is the change. And then fourth question, Tavat plus Vipajya. Prathama Varnasya Tritiya Varnam. Ta is changing as the. So we have to write like this, Tavat Vibhajya. And then Anyaha plus Api. Visargaha Visargasya Uttvam. Then Uttarapadam starting with A. So Avagraha Chinnam. So the answer Sandhipadam Anyopi. This is the change. Then sixth question, पश्चात् plus अन्यः तकारस्य तवर्णस्य स्थाने द वर्णः तृतीय वर्णः. So पश्चात् अन्यः, this is the change. And then अन्यः plus द्वितीयः, again विसर्गस्य स्थाने उत्तम. So I'll write it अन्यो द्वितीयः, we have to write. Then eighth question, काचित् plus इयम्, again prathama varna se tritiya varna parivartanam, kajit iyam, and the is joining with e, so kachidiyam. Then vayakula chitto nashtaha, vayakula chittaha, while splitting vayakula chittaha visargaha, visargasya sthane utvam, so sandhipadam vayakula chitto, okay matra. Then prat plus agrataha, prathama varna se sthane tritiya varna tad agrataha, and d is joining with a, so tadagrataha, the is a change. Then 11th question, yet plus manushat, prathama varnasya panchama varna parivartana, so yan it will be, then while writing joining as a sandhipadam yan manushat. And then 12th question, vyagraha api, again visargaha, visargasya sthane uttam, so vyagropi. And here also this avagraha chihnam will be the Uttarpadam is starting with the a, so vyagropi. Okay matra with avagraha chihnam. Then pituhu griham, visargasya sthane ratvam, pitur griham, raki matra, and the letter ga we have to write. Bhayat plus vyagrasya tavargasya sthane, takarasya sthane द वर्णः तृतीय वर्ण परिवर्तन, भयाद व्याघ्रस्य, this is the change. उत्तरपदम no change. And next two question also the same only. उत्साहात् व्याघ्रात्, again here प्रथम वर्णस्य स्थाने तृतीय वर्णम उत्साहाद् व्याघ्रात् उत्तरपदम as it is. And 16th also the same, व्याघ्रजात् भयात्, here also प्रथम वर्णस्य स्थाने तृतीय वर्णम व्याघ्रजात् भयात्. And 17th पुनः plus अपि विसर्गस्य रत्वम, here विसर्गस्य स्थाने र, so r is joining with a, the answer is punarapi. Then 18th also visargasya rattvam only, buddhihi plus balavati, so the answer buddhir balavati. Reki matra and the letter ba. Last in Sandhi, that means first lesson. First question. Chalat adhikam anisham. Again prathama varnasya tritiya varna parivartana. The and the joining with a chaladanisham. This is the change. स्यात् अधिकं न प्रथमवर्णस्य पंचमवर्ण परिवर्तनं स्यान् नैव, so I'll write it स्यान् नैव, this is the change. स्यात् में again the same sandhi, प्रथमवर्णस्य पंचमवर्ण परिवर्तनं, then स्यान् में. समाविस प्लस ठा, so sakarasya sthane shakarah, so the answer samavishta. This is the change. Sha, half sha, half sa, in the place of half sa, half sha. Then again jivat adhikam maranam, prathama varnasya sthane panchama varna parivartanam jivan, so jivan maranam. This is the change. Then asmat nagarat, again the same, prathama varnasya panchama varnam asman nagarat. This is the change. Then prakritihi eva visargasya ratva, So and R joining with A, Prakriti Reva. This is the change. Durdantaihi dashanaihi visargasya ratva. And here also visargasya ratva. Here R after consonant letter, so we have to write R as matra. Durdantai dasha. This is the change, this matra that we have to write here. And here R after swara is the, so Ra. Dashanai ramuna. We can write the letter Ra with a, so R plus a Ra. Durdandai dashanai ramuna. Then panktayah hi visargasya utva. Visargasya sthane oki matra, and it will be changing as O. Panktayohi. This is the change. Bahihi antaha visargasya sthane ratva, and joining with a bahirantaha. Antaha jagadi, again visargasya ratvam only. We here consonant letter, no vowel to join, so R we have to write as matra antar jagati. This matra, that is the change. Then kuryat jivita rasaharanam. Takarasya sthane the will be, and again the is changing to j, so jakarasya dvitvam kuryat jivita. Nagarat bahudura, yet Tritiya Varna Parivartanam. This is only the change. Uttarapadam as it is, no change. Nagarad. Then Latataru Gulmaha Naha Bhavantu. Latataru Gulmaha Aha. Here Visarga Lopaha and Naha Visargasya Uttam. So it is changing as no. In 2-3 places in the poem Naha it is the no. Wherever it is a Naha. Asmakam Naha, the Shabdarupam, Asmat Shabdarupam, we used to say. Then again, Syat na Prathama Varnasya Panchama Varna Parivartana. So the answer Syat na. So with this we have completed all the Shemushi book lessons, Sandhi, each and every lesson maximum we have completed. According to me, 99.9% we have completed. Here and there, 1 or 2. If it is repeatedly same words it is coming, I may not written here. You go through all those where I have written the splitted form, that only you have to take care. The Sandhi Padam as it is there in the printed form. So identify the Sandhi Padam, underline it, highlight it in the lesson, and go through the Sandhi Vichedam I have written in the videos. Hope you will be using it properly. Thank you.